Hello, we are from the groups 6 of Semantics. Our group consisting of 3 people, Fasha as the presentation designer, Angelisa as researcher, and me, Irarsena as presenter. So we are going to start with what is semantics? Semantics, the philosophical and scientific study of meaning in natural and artificial languages. The term is one of a group of English words formed from the various derivatives of Greek verb zemeino, to mean or to signify. The noun semantics and the adjective semantics are derived from semantikos, significant. Semiotics, adjective and noun, comes from semiotikos, pertaining to science. Semiology from sema, sign, plus logos, account. And semasiology from semasia, signification, plus logos. It is difficult to formulate a distinct definition for each of these terms because their use largely overlaps in the literature despite individual preferences. The word semantics has ultimately prevailed as a name for the doctrine of meaning, of linguistic meaning in particular. Semiotics is still used, however, to denote a broader field, the study of sign-using behavior in general. These are 3 types of semantics. So the first one we have lexical semantics, which examine the meaning of individual words, including definitions and concepts associated with them. Then the second one we have compositional semantics. It studies how the meanings of phrases and sentences emerge from the combination of individual word meanings. And then the last one, we have formal semantics. It utilizes formal tools such as logic to analyze and represent the systematic structure and meaning of language. And then we have a few functions of the semantics. The first function is meaning mapping. It explains the relationship between the meaning of words, phrases, and sentences. Comprehending the relationships between words, phrases, and sentences is essential for effective communication. It allows us to convey our message with clarity and precision. Then next one we have contextual correlation. It investigates how meaning depends on the context and communicative situation. Effective communication depends on context. Understanding this can help us build stronger relationships and become more persuasive communicators. And then next one we have communication understanding. It aids in the interpretation and comprehension of messages in language communication. A comprehensive grasp of semantics is crucial for effective communication across academic disciplines and languages, ensuring clarity in conveying messages, minimizing the risk of misinterpretation in all contexts. Next function we have explanation of language structure. It provides insight into how language elements interrelate to form meaning. Language elements and relationships are vital for effective communication and shaping our interaction with the world. And then the last one of the functions we have development of computational systems. Used in development of computer system for understanding and processing human language. Semantics is vital for computational systems, enhancing their understanding of human language. It involves analyzing meaning, improving natural language processing, and incorporating semantic technologies like ontologies for more accurate and contextual aware interactions. Understanding these types and functions helps unravel the intricacies of how language conveys meaning and how we comprehend messages conveyed by others. Then this is a little example of the semantics. So we take it from the word bank. From the lexical semantic side, it refers to the meaning of the word itself, that with a definition of a financial institution where people deposit and withdraw money. From the compositional semantics, it focuses on how meaning is derived from the combination of words. We take it from the sentence of I need to go to the bank, which have the meaning in this context. Bank refers to a financial institution, not the edge of the river. And then we have contextual correlation. It illustrates how meaning can change based on context. So we take it from the context one. I work at a bank. How it means that it refers to a financial institution. And the context number two is I sat by the riverbank, which have a meaning that it refers to the edge of a river. This example showcases how the same word can have different meanings based on context or the way it is used within a sentence. And this is some of the purpose of semantics that we have. So the first one, we have communication clarification. Semantics helps in making language clearer and reducing ambiguity, ensuring that words and expressions convey precise meanings. Then the second one, we have language interpretation. It facilitates the interpretation of linguistic expressions, enabling individuals to understand and extract meaning from words, phrases, and sentences. And then we have contextual understanding. Semantics investigate how meaning can vary based on context, emphasizing the importance of situational and cultural factors in interpreting language. Then we have language development. It contributes to our understanding of how languages evolve and develop, examining changes in meaning over time and across different communities. And then we have computational processing. Semantics is crucial in the development of natural language processing systems and computational models that aim to understand and generate human-like language. And then cross-cultural communication. By exploring the cultural and contextual nuance of meaning, semantics supports effective communication across diverse linguistic and cultural backgrounds. And then the last one of the purpose is philosophical inquiry. Semantics engage in philosophical discussions about the nature of meaning, reference, and truth, contributing to broader inquiries about language and thought. And that is the end of the video. I would like to apologize if there were any mistake on the speech or the grammar of the presentation. This is it from group 6 of Semantics. Thank you very much for the attention. Bye bye.